In this video, I will show you how to know if someone is staking you on Instagram. First of all, after you open up your Instagram account like this, now tap on this menu, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll to down and tap on this where it says this one, account type and tools. Now tap on this switch to professional account. Now tap on this continue again. Now choose this blogger and tap on this done button. Now allow it to finish loading. Tap on this next button again. Tap on this not now. Now tap on this cancel button at the top. So as you can see now refresh your Instagram page. So as you can see now, here it says professional dashboard. So all you have to do now, tap on this plus button, this new, to add a new highlight. So if you tap on this, as you can see now, make sure your highlight is not the highlight that you want to use, your story is not expert. So I'll use this story that I just added today. So I'll just use this one and tap on this next button and tap on this done button. So tap on this not now. So as you can see now, here is the highlight that I just added. So if you tap on the highlight now, so now swipe it to up like this. So as you can see now, in this session now, you can be able to see whoever is taking you on your Instagram account. Because I just added the Instagram highlights, I know nobody just opened the Instagram highlights. So if someone open it, so Instagram will show you that if someone is taking you under this highlights. That's it guys on how to check if someone is taking you on Instagram.